Hello guys, I'm back with another Chevy Cruze video. Today we're going to be replacing the front headlight bulbs in this 2014 Cruze, and I'll go ahead and get started here. So this bulb, you can see, a dual filament bulb, so it has the high and low beam in one bulb, and these are the bulbs I chose here. I wanted to upgrade a little bit with a brighter white bulb, so I chose these Sylvania ZXE Gold bulbs. These are about $80. Alright, I'm going to start on the passenger side here. One thing nice about the Cruze, it's very easy to get at this connector. So, what you want to do is, you can see, let me turn the light on here, this clip here, you need to pull it back just a little bit like that and get your thumb pushed down on this connector and pull straight back towards the air cleaner, like so. And then here is the bulb itself, so you need to turn to the left counterclockwise, and then it will release. Set that aside. We'll go ahead and open up our package here and get the bulb out. Okay, one thing I'd like to point out, if you do choose to get these bulbs, is be careful when opening this package up. You have to take the labeling off first, and then this top half separates from the bottom half here. And be careful not to touch these bulbs with your fingers. The oil from your hands will decrease the bulb life, so just don't touch the glass with your fingers. Alright, one thing I noticed when I removed this bulb here is it has two seals on it, and this is not right at all. I think the previous owner didn't realize that the seal must have stuck on the housing from the old bulb. It should only have one seal, so just beware of that when you go to change the bulb. As you can see, the little recess in here that this seal would set in, like the new bulbs have right there. So go ahead here and remove the first bulb. Go ahead and insert it in the housing here. Just be very careful. Turn the light on. Okay. So once you get it to go in here like so, you just turn it to the right or clockwise until it stops. And then simply take your connector and slide it right over top. Hear it click, and you are good to go. Now for the driver's side, it's a little tighter since you have the filler neck for the washer fluid there, but you can still get your hand in there and pull it straight back in the same way. Turn to the left counterclockwise, and you can remove the bulb. You can see this seal is red, so it had two different type bulbs in there, which is kind of odd. I always like to replace both at the same time, even though one only burns out, because it's good to have equal brightness. So we'll take this bulb, insert it in here. If you have smaller hands, it'd be easier, but there we go. It clicks, and that is it. So that's pretty simple, guys. Go ahead and throw these away. And I hope that helps you out. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day. See you next time.